All right, so today we're gonna do some chicken of the woods. I'm just gonna do this basically like I would fry fish. You dunk it in egg, bounce it around in some Cajun style short lunch, and I'm gonna fry it in peanut oil on the stove. To prepare this, this was frozen chicken of the woods. I just sauteed it and I diced it up, cleaned it, sauteed it in butter, and then fried it on the stove a couple weeks ago, and then I froze it into serving size portions about this big. So yeah, first time I've ever tried this. I'm hoping it's good. Okay, so I put it in like a sandwich size baggie, Ziploc. I cracked an egg in there, and I kind of work it around, get the egg coated on all the pieces. All right, so I got about half a bag of Cajun short lunch in this gallon Ziploc. I'm gonna pick these out and try to leave most of the egg behind. Just enough to make the batter stick to the mushrooms. Okay, and I think this actually turned out really good. Looks like it coated really well. So I just got my chicken of the woods strips in here. Covered in short lunch and egg. Ready for the fryer. I'm gonna get some grease going. I'm gonna try and get it to about 350. Fry them for just enough to make them crispy, because they're already cooked, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so as I'm waiting for my grease to get warm, I just put the stuff on a plate so I can get it without sticking my hand in the bag to throw it in the fryer. Threw a little piece in there because I can't find my thermometer, so I can see when the grease is hot. There we go, we got them frying. I think this one I'm pulling out. And I'm gonna start pulling the rest out as they cook.
What are you doing?
Here's the finished product. I'm gonna give it a try once it cools down.
What are you doing?
Turned out really good. Was that the best mushrooms I've ever made? You can definitely sell those. Give me some barbecue sauce. Would be good on them. Or I'm sure you'd find some sort of sauce that'd be really good.